Thai ao dai and the variety of Thai traditional costumes. The ao dai is a traditional Vietnamese garment that is known for its elegance and beauty. However, Thailand also has its own traditional dress, which is just as stunning and unique. The traditional dress of Thailand is known as the Thai chakri, and it is a symbol of Thai culture and identity. The Thai chakri is a long, flowing dress that is made from silk or cotton. It is typically worn for formal occasions, such as weddings, ceremonies, and important events. The dress is known for its intricate embroidery, which often features floral patterns and other intricate designs. The dress is also known for its vibrant colors, which range from deep reds and purples to bright pinks, blues, and greens. One of the things that makes the Thai chakri so unique is its versatility. The dress can be worn in a variety of ways, depending on the occasion and the wearer's personal style. For example, the dress can be worn with a traditional headpiece, such as a pha khao ma, for a more formal look. Alternatively, it can be worn with a simple shawl or scarf for a more casual look. Another aspect of Thai traditional dress that is worth noting is the diversity of styles and designs. Thailand has many different regions, each with its own unique culture and traditions. As a result, there are many different styles of traditional dress that are unique to specific regions of the country. For example, the traditional dress of the northern region of Thailand is known as the Lana style dress, which features intricate embroidery and a high collar. The dress of the northeastern region, on the other hand, is known as the Isan style dress, which is typically made from silk and features bold, geometric patterns. Despite the diversity of styles and designs, there are a few common elements that are present in all Thai traditional dress. For example, most dresses feature a long, flowing skirt that reaches the floor, as well as a fitted bodice that accentuates the waist. Additionally, many dresses feature intricate embroidery, beading, or other decorative elements that add to their beauty and complexity. In recent years, there has been a renewed interest in traditional dress in Thailand, with many young people embracing this aspect of their culture and incorporating it into their daily lives. This has led to a resurgence in traditional dressmaking and embroidery, as well as an increased appreciation for the beauty and cultural significance of these garments. In conclusion, the Thai chakri is just one example of the rich and diverse traditional dress of Thailand. From the Lana-style dress of the north to the Isan-style dress of the northeast, there are many different styles and designs that are unique to specific regions of the country. However, what all of these garments share is a deep connection to Thai culture and identity, as well as a beauty and elegance that is truly timeless. The Thai chakri and other traditional dress styles of Thailand are not just beautiful and culturally significant, they are also a reflection of the country's long and complex history. The Thai people have a rich and diverse cultural heritage that is influenced by a number of different factors, including geography, religion, and historical events. For example, the intricate embroidery and beading that are often seen on traditional Thai dresses are influenced by the country's long history of trade and commerce. Thailand has long been a center of trade and commerce in Southeast Asia, and the country's textiles and other crafts have been highly valued by merchants and traders for centuries. Similarly, the vibrant colors and bold patterns that are often seen on Thai traditional dress are influenced by the country's natural environment. Thailand is a country of lush jungles, sparkling beaches, and vibrant cities, and the colors and patterns of Thai dress reflect this diversity and